G'day guys, thanks for watching. So behind me here I've got my Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2. She's a 2018 model limited. I don't want it limited anymore. Let's get this thing ready for off-road properly. So first of all, our first upgrades that we are going to do is going to be Chief products. We're going to be getting a whole heap of things. We're getting a front runner, sump protection, hidden winch mount, nudge bar. Then we're going down over here to get some side steps on, and up top roof platform. Now I might cop slack over this, but I've got a sunroof and I quite like it, so I wanted the best of both worlds. Chief can deliver that. They have a system there. Well, you would already know that that roof load is rated to 68 kilos. You put a 15 kilo roof platform on there, you're down to 53 kilos that you're allowed to store up there. Not a great deal. You're able to store 150 kilo dynamic load on there and 600 kilo static. That is incredible. So this is, apart from that, it looks good. So I will be going with that. Going into my local exhaust company, and we're getting a 3-inch stainless steel exhaust from the DPF back. After the install on the exhaust, heading up to the guys at East Coast Performance Tuning at Tuggerah, family owned business. But after that, yeah, getting a lift. Everyone's asking. So it will be getting a 2-inch lift. We're getting King Springs and Old Man Emu shocks. So everyone knows them. ARB are bolting them on for me. Well, let's stop with the word salad and get this build going. Right, here we are. I've got the front fascia off, front bumper, loom bar all done. It's all off. Took me just over an hour, and I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm handy on the tools with carpentry and handyman stuff and everything else, but as far as it comes to, you know, pulling apart a near brand new Jeep, a little bit nervous about it, but it's fine. Hey, so let me tell you now, it looks like something that could be a little bit overwhelming, but as long as you take your time and follow the instructions, you'll be fine. There was a few things in the instructions that weren't in it, like the back of the loom bar, these little lugs, plastic, they just lever out. I'm pretty sure I've stuffed them, but I'm sure they'll be okay, right? They'll be fine. She will be right, as they say. So now we're ready for installation. All right guys, finally got the whole setup done at the front. It rained on me the entire day, so I am soaking wet, and I did have some issues getting some of these bolts in line. I had to hold my tongue in the right place, put the sun protections in, lower front guard, nudge bar and toe points, and I've got to say, it's starting to enter beast mode. So we'll just see how we go over the next couple more days with some new tyres and some side rock sliders, and yeah, see how we go guys. Woo! That was a big day. Guys, I'm here at East Coast Performance Tuning. I've just had the Jeep done with, it has an exhaust put on. So we've got a 3-inch exhaust from the DPF back. These guys here are going to give me a tune, and we'll see how we go. Throw it on the dyno. Let's do this.
Yeah, 909 newton meters of torque. That's 200 newton meters more than about landing.